So my name is Sharon. I am one of the managers here at the Work and Travel Company in Sydney, Australia.
My name is Matt. I work here for the Work and Travel Company already 18 months now.
Planning a trip when you're young, or perhaps planning a big trip to the other side of the world for the first time, can be a little bit daunting, and there's quite a few things to think about. So it's good to get some information and ideas from experts, people who can make sure that you are joining up with a group of people if you want to, people who can help you get a really good deal on a flight, put you in a group activity, organise your insurance for you, and make sure that you've got somebody to look after you when you arrive in Australia as well. I think that's really important because you want to feel safe, you want to feel comfortable, and you want to feel happy that somebody's there at the end of the phone, or somebody who can be there in person to help you out with whatever you need.
I'm well travelled. I used to be a backpacker here in Australia many years ago as well. So I know what I'm talking about. I know where you can travel, what you can do, where to go, what time, and yeah, giving good advice and tips for the new arrivals.
And we give all the information our customers need to know about living, working and travelling in Australia. So we usually have a really good mix of people from different backgrounds and different nationalities and different ages, which is quite nice. And we give everybody all the information we need about what we do, how we help our customers, but also introducing them to each other and letting them know all the things they can do here in Australia. And that's what we do.